Uvishan Mugantan Hinnegasni Balang, Ulashapan Bam Smakum Ulat Bakhatsan Jogajala, Hakmadu Chief Justice Kamigalia High Court Justice Umanath Singh, Hakajingalang Kabalong Hadorbar Hall Jongaraj Bhavan, Hanongba Shillong. Hakanigasni, Laidon Lang Umintri Ramba Kajala bagi Menteri Sarkar, Ki MLA, Chief Secretary Kajala Megalia, Ki Het Sarkar Bat Kiwe. Lakha Ushan Mugantan Haka Apwitri Unaiwing Kakandas Pasap Kundai, but Uni Ulat Batama Kajala, Udairu Udukot ka BJP, but ubala batru ika kerdan additional secretary jong kaseng BJP. Hakajing bat jung ika kam hapo kaseng, ula pet ya katanat defense, research and documentation, but overseas friends jong BJP cell. Uni ulat batama jong jala, udairu ubala pendep ya ka postgraduate haka political science, but udairu nong thokot ubat tibet ya ubala tho adu lightly gikot kibaydai bakajat bendri Tamil.
Please be seated. We Shanmuganathan do swear in the name of God that I will faithfully execute the office of Governor of Meghalaya and will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law, and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Meghalaya.
Basically, I am a people-friendly man. Right? I am more friendly to all sections of the people. So I want to be with everyone. And just now I have come, and I'll try to understand, and I'll focus one thing. I love people. I love people. Everyone. I want to love the entire Meghalaya. Everyone here. I want to be friendly. I want to be nearer to their heart. So that is my impression. Then afterwards, let us see. Slowly. Okay. Really, I do not know about anything else. But people say outside, Meghalaya is a very beautiful place. The people are also very good. So I want to see the beauty, greatness of Meghalaya and its people. Governor is common to every citizen. He does not belong to any political party. He is common to every person. He wishes the success of every individual.